Hi there, this is just a quick rundown of the newer application that is Talk2It. It's one word, Talk2It. It's a free application that you can download from the Android store. And this is one of the apps that you can get if you only have an Android and you don't have an iPhone, where you can get the new Iris, which is what is all the hubbub right now. So I'm just going to do a quick rundown through this that's going to show basic functionality of this that you would use commuting for work, whatever. Good morning.
Hi there, Terry.
How are you today?
Couldn't be better, Terry.
What is the weather in Seattle?
Now in Seattle it is currently overcast, 47, F8, C.
What's today's headlines?
These are currently the top headlines.
And of course, anything it doesn't have an answer for, it's going to just simply refer you to Google, whether it's a Google search or it's Google Maps for location, that kind of thing. Where's the nearest espresso?
Searching for your location.
And it's kind of cool because it does, it will actually pull up a map and it'll show me all the espresso that's, nearby, and I can pretty much select one. It will send a text message. Send text to T-Mobile.
No problem. What would you like the message to say?
You're fired.
I've typed an SMS for you. You're fired. Now just tap send to send it to T-Mobile.
Then of course I'm not going to send them that, but I just hit the send button. That is something you have to do. She won't do it for you, or this program. And show me where to buy gas. Now see, it's going to show me again. I have Gas Buddy on here, but
this app will show you the closest gas to where you are now.
Where I could, try to get it to show me the cheapest gas, but it'll open pretty much any app, but it won't let you interface with the functions within that app. It'll just simply bring it up for you, and then you're kind of on your own. Another cool function is change my Facebook status.
What should I change your Facebook status to?
Happy New Year, everybody.
I'm updating your Facebook status to Happy New Year, everybody. Is that okay?
No.
Okay. I won't send anything right now.
Call Ben.
I'm now connecting you to Ben's mobile number.
And of course I'm not going to show everybody's Ben's number. And go right back in there. Excuse me, and it will do the same for emails, which is really nice. Send email to Ben.
All right. How do you want the email to read?
Hi Ben, I just wanted to follow up on the current stats.
I've typed an email for you. Hi Ben, I just wanted to follow up on the current stats.
And
now
then
tap send to send it to Ben.
You have to identify, what method you want to do it. Regular mail is going to be your default mail. Gmail is obviously Gmail, and it's just showing some of the other tools I have. But some of them, if some of the situations like this, if you select one, if it asks you if it want it to be a default, which that one did not, it'll retain that information. So let's see here. Navigate to Seattle.
I'm opening navigation. Check the route to Seattle before you go.
And I've already defaulted this to Google Maps, so it's remembering that. And it's kind of nice, especially if you don't have GPS.
route. Go 0.4 miles and turn left.
And back up there. And add to my calendar.
Of course. Tell me what you'd like to add to your calendar.
Mom's birthday is Friday.
I'm adding Mom's birthday is on December 30th, 2011, Friday to your calendar. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And take a note for me.
I'm recording for me in your notebook. Does that look right?
No.
All right then. I won't add anything
That's what
just
happened
yet.
there. Take a note for me.
I'm recording for me in your notebook. Does that look right?
Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong here. Take note.
Sure. What would you like the note to say?
Buy orange juice.
I'm recording by orange juice in your notebook. Does that look right?
Yes.
All right. You'll find that in your notebook when you need it.
And then you can use like a basic dictionary in it. Define computer.
A computer is a programmable machine designed to sequentially and automatically carry out a sequence of arithmetic or logical operations.
What is 459 times 837?
459 multiplied by 837 equals 384,183.
No way.
Okay. Can I take care of something else for you instead?
Show how to make a business plan video.
I found the following videos of how to make a business plan.
And see, it's just defaulting. You can. I made it default to YouTube if I ask it to search for to search for a video. However, if you specify, and I won't get into all of it demonstrating it, but you can specify photos that you have if you've named them. You can specify videos that you've shot on your phone or however you've gotten them into your phone, or if it's something that you haven't specified within that context. It will go out and look online, and in this case it went and searched the default I set as YouTube for videos. And let's see here, it will open flashlight.
Here you go.
Let's see,
Flashlight is now open.
turned on my flashlight for me. And again, it will open any app. It just doesn't have a lot. It's not real intuitive in terms of trying to control those apps, other than like the calculator or dictionary or that kind of thing. And then of course it'll open any app, or excuse me, website. Open google.com.
No problem. Google.com coming right up.
Or who was Albert Einstein?
Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955, the German-born scientist.
Yeah, let's see here. Show a Ford Pantera.
I don't think I'm qualified to answer that yet.
Show a picture of a Ford Pantera.
Here are a few images of Ford Pantera.
And see, it will it will do that with any of it. It'll show you, if you ask it for photos, it will show you a series of them, and it opens it up in this own little, you know, my favorite car, Ford Pantera. And I think that's pretty much it. This is in the development stages, and so is Siri for iPhone. You know, again, Talk to It is for Android only. They are both in development, and Apple is backing Siri, so it's, you know, it's going to be ahead of this. But for those of us that have an Android and don't have an iPhone, this is definitely one of the alternatives for that. And I really won't touch on this maybe in another video, but Vlingo is also a free application that's available on the Android market, and it will do actually a little bit more than Talk to It will, but it doesn't have the animated gal that you can, you know, set to look and talk however you want. It doesn't have that interface. So anyway, that's all I have. Please post comments, questions, and peace out.